Hello, everyone. In this session, we're focusing on foreground and background jobs in Linux operating system. So basically, uh, there are some processes that they're running in background and some processes they're running in foreground. But sometimes it happens that you want to define which process to be in front and which one to be in background. So it's like that. Let me show you. For example, let's say we have Firefox, right? So Firefox, if you want to put the Firefox in background, usually you add ampersand at the end of this one. So that means that now run the Firefox in background. So now it's Firefox is running, and you see that is showing up here. If I press Control Z or um, to stop this one, or I can do Control C and then do FG. So it will show me that there is something here like no hub in foreground. In foreground. Let me do it like that. If I run Firefox and then do FG, so that means that no jobs now in foreground. So let me now put the Firefox in background. So now it's running in background. Um, so this is the job that's running now in background. Okay. And the process ID is assigned to this job. So there are some, if I do ps dash IUX and then grep it 8560, you see that now this process is running. So that ps dash IUX actually shows the process they are running in Linux operating system. When I grep it with 8560, that means this process that's running in background. So just want to show you that um, this process now is running in background. For which process is running in foreground, you can do FG now. No jobs running in um, foreground. Um, there is also something which is called no hop, and no hop stands for no hang up. That means that if the parent shell is disconnected the job and the output of a no hop um, will continue and it will write this command in no hop dot out. So like this one, this is a very good example. For example, no hop ping 8.8.8.8, and I'm gonna send this one in background. So the output of this ping is gonna be written in this no hop dot out file. So you see that. And when I want to see this one, so if I just look at, for example, head dash 3, that means that first line of no hop dot out. You see that shows that ping, which is running in background. So that's way I can send it, redirect the output of this ping to this file. There are some commands that you can run it in Linux, like ps dash IAUX. A stands for all users, U stands for process of users and owners, and X is show the process not attached to a terminal. And it is like this. Look, now I can see the processes. So if you look at the header of that one, It shows the PID, CPU, memory, and TTY, start time, and the commands for that process. And this is a user also is running this process. So if I want to see, for example, if I clear my screen and if I do this command with head dash 10, that means I show only um, 10 first line of this processes. So it will show this 10 lines. So sometimes it happens that you want to see just only top 10. So then you can see that one with this command. Top also is available in Linux operating system, shows the real time, total task, and also CPU memory swap. You see the user PIDs and also the commands, the time they're running, CPU and memory. It's like a task manager that we have in Windows operating system. So with Q, you can exit from this one. Sometimes it happens that you want to kill the process. For example, kill it. It works in two ways. Like you can add the process ID here, or you can use pkill. That one use actually process name. For example, pkill Firefox, and then it will kill this process ID. So if you look at now ps-aux and then grab it with Firefox. So this process ID like 9879, right? You can do this way also. Kill dash 9 9879. So there is not such a process ID. So let me search it again. See that this process ID will change, and then you should be very fast. 9881. So there is not like randomly this process ID will change. And so then what you can do, for example, something happens that if I want to show you the head dash 10. So this one is the process ID that you can see. So you can actually kill this process ID based on the number that you're receiving. The other one that we have here is free, and that command displays the total amount of free space available in memory and swap. Free dash, for example, H. Memory total is 3 gig, used 1 gig, free is 693. You see the cache buffer available as well here. And then we have uptime, shows the uptime of the operating system. It's very good for something that happens that you want to check that, okay, how many times your user has logging to this operating system, which user is logging, how many users you have in this operating system. Sometimes you want to see that how long this operating system is running. So this is like, this is a very good command that usually for network monitoring, we are using this command. Okay, that concludes this video, and I hope this has been informative, and thanks for watching.